A lot of times I find agents are just one night stand agents. Let me explain. What you don't want to be is you don't want to be a one night stand agent. A one night stand agent is someone who closes a deal and then just disappears. They make the sale and then they're gone forever. Their clients are having a hard time reaching out to them. They don't follow up with them thereafter. A year goes by, 2 years goes by, and it was just that one agent that they had dealt with to purchase the sale of the property. Your responsibility should be to be the lifelong agent, that they can call upon you at any point in time, that they should be able to think about you on a consistent basis. So your business has to be reflective of that. You have to take the necessary steps in order to become a lifelong agent, staying consistent with them, following up with them on a yearly basis, showing up at their door during Christmas and holiday time to present them with a gift, inviting them out to parties, maybe updating them about the values of their home. Be a lifelong agent and don't be a one night stand agent.